In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the email linked to your Telegram account using Telegram Desktop on your PC. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and it's really helpful if you want to confirm which email is associated with your login details or security settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram Desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access your app settings. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your account and app preferences in one place. After that, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important options related to your account safety, login settings, and security information. Now scroll through the security area until you find Login Email. Click on Login Email to see your email address. Telegram will display the email linked to that account, so you can verify it quickly and easily. If you don't see the information you expected, double check that you're logged into the right account and that you're viewing the correct security section. And that's it. You've now checked your Telegram email on desktop in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.